Well, hello everyone, welcome to Smells Like. I'm Josh, so good to see you. Right now I just have a quick unboxing of a fragrance that I just got in the mail. Literally just arrived. I'm actually still slightly out of breath from running downstairs, running all the way down to the mailbox, and then running all the way back up here so I could film this real quick. So I wanted to open it on camera for you guys. So open it up and we'll see who this is from. House of Mugler. Well, first thing, this little card, basically just a thank you card, seat type stuff, and then there's the goods. Open it up, and there you go, guys. I got the new Alien Man, and then also looks like here's a bunch of samples. Mugler is really generous with their samples when you order a bottle from them. I was able to get 5 samples from their exclusives line. I think they call it their Les Exceptions. Yeah, Les Exceptions line. So I got 5 little samples from there. That's how it comes. And then here is the fragrance Alien Man from Mugler. Eau de toilette refillable spray. Apparently you can refill these and use the same bottle over and over again. It's got the little Mugler star there on the top. Mumbo jumbo on the bottom. Let's go ahead, open this guy up real quick, show you the bottle. Yeah, I'm really excited about this one. This is a fragrance that rarely happens for me, where I get a sample in the mail from a company, you know, to try out their new release or whatever, and that very day from wearing the sample decide to order the fragrance. I think this is probably the only time actually that I've ever done that. Just, you know, smelled the fragrance and ordered a bottle that day. So the box is actually really cool. This has like a paper, like a textured sort of thick paper feel to it. And then on the sides you have, it's hard to see, you have Alien written in that sort of strange script, written all over, backwards and forwards, similar to the style they did on the women's Alien, where it's written sort of backwards and forwards into each other. If you're familiar with Alien for women, you know what I'm talking about. On the back then, there's a picture of the bottle, which I am so excited about getting this bottle. It also has information on joining the Circle, which is the kind of the Mugler fan club or whatever, where they send you free goodies, I think, like on your birthday and stuff like that, and where also they'll send you samples of new releases that come out. They were how I received my sample of this, but then it comes with a code inside of the box of each fragrance that you buy from them, with a code where you go on the website and you can join that club, get whatever little benefits that they might be offering. It's not anything too drastic, but kind of cool that they offer that just for ordering the fragrance. So there's, set that aside for just a second. Here is the bottle. Apologize that the lighting isn't that great, but this is the only place in the house right now that's quiet. So really think this bottle is so cool. Dark purple. This is the nozzle. Actually, the cap doesn't come off. There is no cap. Although this top part does come off, and that's how you refill it. So it is a refillable bottle. On the trigger of the sprayer there, you have the Mugler star. Let's see, there's the back of the bottle. And then on the bottom, you got your normal information and stuff. Let's see, okay. So let's see how this thing sprays. Kind of a cool sprayer. It feels like it'll have kind of a thing where you can kind of do a half spray if you want. Really gives a nice, pretty straight but sort of fine mist. very directionally accurate. So already in the air, I've got this. This stuff is so weird. I even as I first spray this, I'm like, what have I gotten myself into with this? But I already can tell that I love this stuff. There's something so bizarre about it that I just love. It really, to me, is like if, you know, an alternate universe tried to create a mass appealing designer fragrance, and it has some of those designer elements. It has some of the mass appeal, but something's not quite right. It's not quite of this plane, you know what I mean? And I think they did a good job of that. Maybe it's just the marketing fooling me, but to me it really does smell super unique, but again, retaining a little bit of that designer mass appealing feeling to it. I'll do a full review of this to really get into all of the notes and how this thing develops. I don't think this is going to be for everyone. This is already a really polarizing scent. Some people have said they absolutely hate this, that it sucks. But I just fell in love with this from first smell. From the first day that I wore this, I knew there was something weird, something special, something, you know, off. And, you know, I'm a little off myself. I tend to like things that are kind of weird. So, this definitely suits me. So there you have it. That's Alien Man from Mugler. Like I said, full review forthcoming. Let me know your thoughts on Alien Man down in the comments. Be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you right here at the Smells Like Fragrance channel for another video next time. Thanks so much for watching.